Ah.
Wow. Why is it still big?
Mm-hmm.
It's still big.
Big, not so big. That's regular size.
Oh yeah, what size? Is this medium size?
Yeah, it's a medium size.
Oh yeah.
Yummy? I want to eat too.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fruit is good for in the morning.
Yeah. And fruits are not good in the at night.
Yeah, fruit's not good at night.
Yeah, but I like at morning time, but I don't like at night time.
Yeah. It's very good. It's good in the morning.
But instead of watermelon is fruit. And
Yeah, it's
apple.
yeah. Apple it's good in the morning, not at night.
How about watermelon?
Watermelon, it's alright
And
at night.
orange?
It's good in the morning.
And how about vegetables?
Just alright at night. In the morning, afternoon, at night.
Yeah, I love vegetables instead of broccoli and soup. I like broccoli. Oh, so windy. So cold. I'm freezing.
Oh, you're freezing?
Yeah, I'm freezing. I'm turning into the ice block.
Ice block. Tawanan ka. Yeah. Cheers. Ra con thốt đất. Nghe một cắm cơm. I'll be right. Tagsa ta. Imo nang nindot og naw. Kapilian man ka. Nindot yung background mo taw. Kuan. Yummy. Okay.